unexpected taste.
Nando Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Welcome to Pampanga.
For today's vlog, another real Mexican taste na pupuntahan natin. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark, Tech Hub 9.
Guys, samahan niyo po kami. This is Taqueria Chupacabra. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo kami.
So, tara, let's go! Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Taqueria Chupacabra dito sa may SM. So kasama natin. So sir, introduce yourself muna po.
So ako po si Carl Nico Tiglaw. I'm the store manager here po at Taqueria Chupacabra.
And
Conrad po sa San Juan po branch. Store manager din po.
okay, so syempre sila yung mga makikita nyo dito. At the same time, on our table, papakilala din nila yung mga dishes natin. So Sir Carl, ano po ba yung mga available na dishes po dito sa Taqueria Chupacabra?
Okay, so one of the authentic Mexican food are the street tacos. So we have lengua street tacos. This is what we call San Francisco style sisig street tacos. And then ito yung carne asada. So simple as that as grilled steak. So one of the best seller po sa Taqueria Chupacabra. And yung fish street tacos po natin. So this is Texas Mexican food style tacos. So hard shell po siya. And then we have the boneless chicken rice plate.
So parang to sir, isang meal na to, di ba?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Apa.
So syempre mga appetizer natin.
Apo, appetizer naman po, meron tayong nachos with guacamole sauce with authentic Mexican sauce po. And then yung solo salad. Sir,
Pero
apo.
later, didig in natin kung ano po yung laman niya.
Okay ba? Yes po. Ito yung salad sir, mission style burritos. So meron po tayong chicken, beef, roast pork. So meron po siyang nacho chips and tomato salsa.
Okay, so syempre, yung mga other part naman ng table natin, si Sir Conrad naman ang papakilala.
Yes po, meron pa tayong specialty ng El Chupacabra, Lord of the Wings po.
Lord of the Wings.
Yes po.
Yes.
And then po, meron tayong quesadilla or gringa po. Na meron din tayong chicken, beef, roast pork.
Hello.
Meron din po tayong enchilada. Pwede po siyang with rice and salad or chips and salsa. And then, sisig po, hot plate. Meron din po tayong pork and chicken.
On the other side din naman, meron din tayo sa mga vegan.
Yes,
So meron po tayong
like grilled vegetable rice plate po. And then, gringa po na cheese and garlic. And then, meron din po tayong garden burger po. Gawa po siya sa oats and nuts.
So dito, available yung mga vegan dishes dito sa may Taqueria Chupacabra. So next thing to do natin, let's taste them.
Let's give time to actually taste and appreciate kung ano ba talaga yung may experience nyo dito sa Taqueria Chupacabra.
Actually, sa mga nag-explore ng bagong taste,
Yes.
so these are yung mga real Mexican taste na talagang matitikman mo and mapupuntahan mo dito sa may SM City Clark.
Speaking of SM City Clark, we would like to invite nga yung mga call center agents, yung mga managers, if you have your clients that are coming from United States,
Yes.
and they are actually looking for authentic Mexican dishes, visit nyo po dito sa may SM City Clark.
Yes, actually sa tingin pa lang,
Yes.
talagang nakakatakam na.
I agree.
At the same time, explore natin yung panlasa natin.
Can't wait, let's start.
And take note, sa mga vegan,
They have
available
an
din dito.
option. Okay. I think I wanna start with the vegan, sabi mo bro. Ito yung version ng kanilang pinakbet. Okay, so this is their vegan platter, no? So we have mixed grilled vegetables. No, na? Actually, no. Spice-wise, sobrang out of this place. It's no Filipino taste at all. What is this? So meron din tayong mga mushrooms. And then of course, ito yung mga beans na talagang available lagi sa mga Mexican dishes. So, more of this vegetables. What is this? May talong. Oh.
Okay, so ako naman titingnan ko yung kanilang street style tacos. So, sabi nila meron daw proper way to eat yung tacos nila. So, syempre, yung kanilang calamansi. And wala nang halo-halo. Ito na yan.
Show it, bro. Ayun na. Alright, so this is their carnitas quesadillas. Now we have 3 sauces or dips for this one. Meron tayong salsa verde, salsa mayo, and then tomato salsa. Start with the verde, okay? Dip natin dito. So, ito na yung ano natin. This is how it looks like. Alright, let's hit it. Oh wow, very so cheesy. A little bit spicy. Soft shell, that's what I like.
So as you could see naman yung kanilang parang meat nito made out of chickpeas. And so at the same time, kung kayo yung mga medyo conscious talaga when it comes to kanilang food, you could request na pwede nyo tingnan yung kanilang kitchen on how they prepare this one. And so let's taste it. Wow. Actually, ito yung mga unexpected taste na pwede ka mag-transform into meat sa mga ganitong style na vegan.
So meat talaga siya, lasang meat.
Actually, lasa siyang meat. Parang siyang burger talaga.
Sige sir, so what do we have for our
Okay,
drink?
so meron po tayong anim na cocktails. So this is what we call La Chupadita. Ito po yung signature drinks ng El Chupacabra.
Alright.
Okay? And then ito po yung Cuba Libre.
Libre.
Cuba Libre.
Uba libre.
Yes, sir. And then ito yung Sangria.
Sangria, I
Yes,
know
po.
this one.
And then this is what we call po na Chupacabra.
Chupacabra.
And then yung classic margarita natin.
Classic margarita.
And then yung mojito.
There you go. Alright, drinks complete.
Yes po.
Thank you, sir. There you have it, guys. So what a way to end the vlog with some cocktails at saka yung pinaka-dessert natin.
Yes.
So we opted to do yung pinaka-outro natin dito kasi nga this is available for you guys, yung sabi ni Mark, to chill.
Yes.
And yung dessert natin, bro, is
So yung mga dessert natin, yung kanilang butterscotch pie
yun.
and flan de naranja. Cheers. Yun.
Yaman na.
Actually, parang siyang orange lemonade.
Yes. This one for me a little bit strong and then sobrang fusion ng mga iba-ibang citrus
Yes.
and fruits.
And
Alright, there you have it, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. This is a new restaurant, a Mexican, real
Yeah.
Mexican, that you can actually visit dito po sa may SM City Clark. Thanks so much for watching.
peace out.
Bye, guys.